Welcome to our series video for the Camella Alfonso subdivision located dito sa may Barangay Marahan 1, Alfonso, Cavite. So this is only 9 minutes away to Tagaytay City. We will have 12 videos for Camella Alfonso, which includes 9 for house and lot and then 3 para sa lupa lamang. So in this video, we'll feature the Ella house model. Itong nasa photo nito ang Ella. Ella has 5 bedrooms, 3 toilet and baths with a lot area of 121 square meters and a floor area of 100 square meters. So ang kanyang total contract price ay 7,599,000 with a monthly down payment of 38,745. And kapag ilo-loan po ninyo ito via bank at kasi gusto ninyo ng installment, ang kanyang monthly payment for 20 years ay 51,551. So let's compute how much is the required income for that. Ano? So that's 51,551 divided by 0.3. So kailangan ninyo ng income monthly na 171,836 pesos para ma-approve kayo sa bank ng 20 years for this. Pero kung sakali naman ayaw ninyo ng bank loan, ay meron naman tayong other options which are in-house financing, deferred payment, and spot cash payment. Kontakin nyo na lamang po ako kung paano po i-avail yung ganong mga payment options. What you will get when you buy this, the promos and discounts are waive na po yung inyong bank charges, waive na yung move-in fees, complete turnover na siya with tiles, and then lowered reservation fee, which is only 20,000 pesos. And then may all home gift certificate kayo worth 50,000 pesos. And as you can see in this photo, nakalagay po dito NRFO, meaning non-ready for occupancy. Ang ibig po sabihin niyan ay saka pa lamang po itatayo yung bahay kapag po binili niyo itong property, kaya po ang matuturn over sa inyo ay bagong-bagong bahay pa lamang po. Okay, so for more information about this property, please contact me yung aming phone, Viber, and WhatsApp number. Ay ilalagay ko po sa description nitong video, including my Facebook account, para you can message me. And then in the screen, maglalagay po ako ng dalawang maliliit na icon for 2 videos. Yung isa ay yung aerial view nitong Camella Alfonso para makita po ninyo anong itsura niya. And then yung second naman ay yung video natin for our 5th house model. So please check it out para po malaman ninyo lahat ng mga model houses na available natin dito po sa may Camella Alfonso.